Hello everyone, how are you doing? How are you all doing? Hope you are doing good. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications, and do leave your comments as to how you feel the readings are. So let's start with what is in store today. Okay, I tried to pull one card but two cards came. Fine, we will go with both the cards. Messenger of the Water. It's a beautiful card actually. The next card, Ten of Water. So first let's do a reading with this, and then if I am guided to pick another card, then I shall pick, because I feel both the cards have come hand in hand, the Messenger of Water and the Ten of Water. The Messenger of Water, I would say, is a card which says just go with the flow, and don't give up on things. Just be inspired with whatever is happening around you, because as of now you just need to go with the flow and keep moving. Just keep understanding that whatever is taking you in life today will take you for good, because when you see the Ten of Water, it is basically blessings. If you see here, you will find everything. Can you see? Tadpole, there's a woodpecker, there are trees, there is water, there is loads and loads of blessings. I feel whatever rewards you are expecting for quite some time, those rewards you will get and you will feel very happy. So however the day starts today, just go with the flow, with an indication that the day is going to be yours and you're going to be really, really successful, and you're going to be happy with the outcome of the day. But still, I would like to pull one more card to see what it is. That's a beautiful card, the Great Mother. Did you see the card? Literally, when I'm seeing the card, I am just falling in love with the card. I would give you some time, a couple of seconds, to see the card. Whenever I see this card, sometimes I get the vision of goddess Gaia in front of me. But overall, if you see, this is going to be a beautiful day with abundance, blessings. It will be a fulfillment day. So I would again say, go with the flow. She is going to bless you tremendously. Everything is going to be in your hands, be it wisdom, be it abundance, be it happiness, be it health. Today is a beautiful day, an amazing day, where you are blessed with everything that you desire. Today, wear the color green, maybe a light green or a dark green is fine, because Gaia is again and again coming. So wear the color green today if possible. If you see a tree when you're going out somewhere, just go and hug the tree and thank the nature to who has blessed you with so much and so much of blessings around you. And I'm sure Goddess Gaia is going to be very, very happy. If you are a healer, then spend some time and bless the Mother Earth today. Send healing to Mother Earth today for whatever blessings she keeps giving you in abundance. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.